Hello there, beautiful people, and welcome back again to On How channel. For people that don't know, my name is Enes. I'm working for you. So if you have any questions and video requests, make sure to drop them below in a comment. I will be happy to make a video for you. And for people that do know, welcome back. Please be a witness for that because I made over 200 videos on Shopify customizations, and they were mostly requested by you guys. And I know some people not even subscribers, but I'm fine with that. I still make the video for them. So don't hesitate, man. If you have any video requests or any questions, just drop me a comment below. I would be happy to provide you the information you need or even make a video for you. And yeah, you don't have to subscribe, or maybe now you should consider doing so, because if you don't, you lose. Now it's a very different chapter on this channel. I usually share small customizations, but now I'll be sharing complete sections and widgets highly customizable to make your Shopify store very professional without having to pay for those expensive teams or hiring those expensive developers, or even worse, paying for those monthly subscription applications just so you can have a widget or a section on your Shopify store. It doesn't make sense. Or you know what? I'll give you a better deal. Scroll down to the channel, check out the videos and sections I'm sharing, and I'll let you be the judge, and I respect your decision. But for now, let me show you how to add the scrolling futures text on the product description on your product page, completely free again, and by using your own custom code, and it looks very good and it's interactive and blah blah blah, and you will see in a second. Just give me 1 minute of your time, and without any more talking, let's just jump to it. As you can see, by the way, this is Shopify down theme, so I always start with completely new theme, nothing on it, and each video I add small customizations. But video like 70 or 80, the theme will be completely different. But now it's because it's a different chapter, I think I will reach that level halfway or even less. For example, check out this reviews carousel that will show reviews from multiple sources: Google, Facebook, Amazon, and Etsy, all in one place, and it's filterable. If I click on Google, only the reviews from Google, and so on from Facebook and Amazon and Etsy. Or even better, check out this recent sales notification that will show sales from multiple products, all without using a single application, by using your own custom code, and it's highly customizable. You can customize the behavior for it, for who to show up and when to show up and how long it stays open and the intervals between them, and also the location for it. You can customize to show in any location on your Shopify store, top right corner, bottom right corner, any corner. Or check out this pop-up right here, which is an abandoned cart pop-up reminder that will remind the user once he's trying to leave the page, because this is by mouse cursor. Because I reached the mouse cursor over here, it detects like I was trying to leave the page, then it will show up and remind the user how many products he added to the cart, and of course a button to check out and pay you. And this is again by using your own custom code. But I'll quit now, I promise. So let me close this pop-up and let me scroll down to the product and show you what I'm talking about. Let me access this one, and here it is. This is what I'm talking about. I will show you how to add this by using your own custom code, and it's very fast and completely free without using. Matter of fact, all the widgets in here, as you can see, are all completely free by using your own custom code and on my channel. What else you need, man? But for now, I already posted the videos for all of these, including this one as well. I'm done with that. Let me show you how to add these. So we will do the trick. Actually, I will do a trick first to remove it, then show you how to add it, because I already removed it. But you won't see the power of video editing. Yeah, the power of video editing. Let me roll the page. It's gone. Let me show you how to add it. And by the way, this one is if it shows like less than 5 products left, it will start popping up like with animation to attract attention. Yeah, completely free. So I'll quit now again. So let's just get back to Shopify dashboard. If you're already in Shopify dashboard, click on online store, then click on themes, then click on customize button. And no, it's not available on the theme editor. We will add it by using our own custom code. The next thing you're going to do is click on homepage at the top corner, the top center of the page. Then after that, click on products and click on the default template products you're using. I'm using the default one. Let me switch to a cleaner product. This one has so much description. The same one. Yeah, this one. So the next thing you're going to do is click on right here, the last thing in the product information section. And you should see this plus button right here, add block. No add section, add block. Click on it, then scroll down in here and you will see custom liquid right here, as you can see. Click on it again and it will show you this prompt, this time at the right corner of the page, where you can paste in some code. And where you're gonna get that code, you need to hire a developer, pay him with 24 hours. I'm just joking again. Scroll down the description box and you will see a link, my website. Click on it, then download a file, open that file completely free again. Open that file with any text editor on your computer, then copy the whole code inside it, then simply paste it in here. And to change the text, you already see them, right? Stunning visuals, optimized performance. All these are words in the scrolling text or marquee effect or whatever you want to call it. So change the words to anything that suits your Shopify store. Also the colors, you can change the colors, anything you like. Just CSS and some codes. Or just drop me a comment, I will be happy to help you out. Click on save button, now it's good. If we get back in here, but I added this time below the description, just drag it up by using the dots in here, as you can see, drag it up and place it anywhere you want. Here it is, as you can see. And that's how you add the marquee effect, futures text, or scrolling effect, whatever you want to call it, on the product page for your Shopify store, completely free and by using your own custom code. And if you have any questions, make sure to drop them below. But for now, I think my job is done. So thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.